Hi, Daniel. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Emma. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. It's a nice morning at the office.
Yes, it is. The office feels very calm today.
Yes, everyone seems busy but relaxed.
That's true. I like mornings like this.
What are you working on today?
I'm preparing some notes for our project meeting.
Oh, the meeting this afternoon?
Yes, that one. I want to be ready.
That's a good idea. It's an important meeting.
Are you presenting something today?
Yes, I'm going to talk about the new plan for the project.
That sounds interesting. Do you need any help with the presentation?
Maybe later. I still need to check a few details.
If you want, I can look at it and give you some feedback.
That would be great. Thank you.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
By the way, how do you like working here so far?
I really like it. The team is very friendly,
Yes, I think so too.
and the office space is very nice and comfortable.
I agree. It's a great place to work. The meeting starts at 2 o'clock, right?
Yes, in the big conference room.
Good. I still have time to finish my slides.
Same here. I need to review my notes.
All right, I'll get back to work now.
Me too.
See you at the meeting later.
See you there. Good luck with your presentation.
Thanks, Daniel.